Hello! We are thrilled to announce that we have a new e-learning hub. You can access it at learning.boyumit.com or from an app available on iOS and Android devices. The new e-learning hub is our widest collection of e-learning content in our history. We have multilingual content, so besides English, many trainings are available in Spanish, Portuguese or Chinese. You can choose amongst 25 courses available currently, and you can enroll to the ones which you are interested in. You can track every detail of your learning progress in your personalized dashboard, like the total hours spent on learning or your activity in the last 12 months. Are you interested in learning new things about Boyum products? You can place an order for a 12-month access in our portal. If you want to learn more about how to register yourself in our e-learning hub or how to purchase access, please read the relevant articles in our website. If you are interested to learn more about our products, it is worth to monitor regularly our offerings here, because many brand new trainings with great learning experience are coming to the platform in the near future.